Hello students, here once again myself Mansi ma'am. As we have discussed in the previous video that how to use the command based operating systems and how we will use the commands in the command based operating system, and also we have discussed it in the previous videos or before vacation that how to write the script in the Vim editor. So we will take one revision of it. So let's start. You can see the screen is of the command based operating system. Over here we will use all the commands one by one in the screen. So this is how Vim editor or command based operating system look. This is command screen. We will use all this command on this screen. And now we will see this Vim editor. If you want to go enter in the Vim editor, we will use vi space filename .sh. So this like the Vim editor will open using the tilde sign. Over here we will use our script, and Vim editor will contain the keywords and many more characters. So you can see this how the Vim editors look. And after that Vim editor will enter, we will go into the insert mode. So after going the insert mode, then we will write the script. So when the script is completed, we will exit from the insert mode by the escape key. So let's see how we will write this script. So this is also a black screen of the Vim editor. There's a two color, or we can change the color of the background in the Vim editor or the command based. So firstly we will enter in the Vim editor by vi space filename.sh. Over here we have taken the file name, that is abc. So I have written that is vi space abc.sh. Next, after entering the Vim editor, we will press I from the keyboard to go into the insert mode. When we enter in the Vim editor, we cannot directly write the script, but before that we have to go into the insert mode by pressing the I from the keyboard. Next, after inserting the insert mode, we will write the script, or we will start the script. So let's start the script. We will take one example, that is a question will be our script for that. Write a script to display have a good day message. So in this script we have to display only a message, that is have a good day. So we will enter in the Vim editor, and that is vi space filename.sh. So first command will be clear, then echo space -e space double inverted comma open have a good day and double inverted comma close. This is our message. What we have to display on the output screen, we will write on in the echo command, and -e will use to display into the new line. So over here our script is completed. So now we will exit from the insert mode. If we want to exit from the insert mode, we will press escape key from the key mode, and then we will exit from the script by saving the script. So to save the script and exit from the script, we will use :wq. Colon is used to give the command to the command based operating system that some operations will be performed for this script, and W is used to save the script, and Q is used to exit from the script. So over here we will have to do both the work, save and exit. So we will use :wq. Now again when we exit from the Vim editor, again the command screen will be displayed, and then we will execute our Vim file, that is script. So to execute the script, we will use sh space filename.sh. So over here our file name is abc, so our command will be sh space abc.sh. So let's see the output, that is have a good day, and when we press the enter, it will again contain the new command. So this is how we will use the script in the Vim editor. Now next Over here in this script we have taken the input from the user at the output time. So the question is, write a script to take input of your name and display it. So the question says that we have to take the input of your name, that is username, and simply have to display it. So let's start. Firstly we will go into the Vim editor. So we will use vi space filename dot sh. So over here we have taken the vi xyz dot sh. So xyz is our file name. Then we will go into the insert mode. To go into the insert mode we will press I from the keyboard, and then we will start our script. So firstly clear is used to clear the screen. Echo minus E, enter your name. Enter your name is the message that is displayed on the output screen to the users, that the users know what to input the answer or what they have to input. So echo minus E, double inverted comma open, enter your name, double inverted comma close. Echo will use this echo is used to display this message, and minus E is used to display into the new line. And after that we will take the input. So in the Vim editor, if you want to take the input, we will use the read command, and the a is the variable, that is name is stored into the variable a. You can take any other variable to store the value, and then we will display the value which is stored into the variable a. So the next statement will be echo minus E, double inverted comma open, your name is $A, double inverted comma close. Over here you can see for the variable we have used the dollar sign. So with the variable we use the dollar sign. That means that we have to display on the output time the value of the variable which is stored into the variable a. So it will display the value at the output time with the help of dollar sign. So now over here our script has completed. We will exit from to the insert mode. To exit from to the insert mode, we will press the escape key from the keyboard, and then we will use :WQ to save and exit the script. So now we will see our output. To execute our script, we will use sh space filename dot sh. Over here our file name is xyz, so our command will be sh space xyz dot sh, and our output will be like this. So enter your name. Over here I'll enter my name, that is Mansi. Then we will press the enter. Our output will be displayed, that is your name is Mansi, and then our next command will be displayed. So this is how we will use this script in the Vim editor, and we will use the command in the script by using the commands which we have done in the previous videos. So till that, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.